The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2016 through 2023 Mazda CX-9 with a bare roof. We've just installed the Thule WingBar Evo Clamp base rack system. So this system is made up of the 53-inch long load bars, silver shown here, but black is also available, the Evo Clamp foot pack, and vehicle-specific fitting kit 145068. So all that combined gives you this two-bar system. Locks are available as a separate accessory, so if you feel like you want to add some security, you pick up a set of locks. So overall, you have a weight carrying capacity of 165 pounds evenly distributed, and crossbars are mounted at 28 inches apart, center to center. So a really great rack for all sorts of gear, cargo boxes, baskets, bikes, kayaks, etc. Well, this has been a quick walk around for this vehicle. For more details, pictures, or to purchase this complete system with a couple of clicks, visit the link in the description below. And that's going to be it for this one. But like always, thanks for watching.